Hi guys, so this is my Needoh, and it's my favorite squishy, but I wonder what happened to his Needoh. My Needoh just popped. Look what happened here, you can see it. So guys, if you give me like 1,000 billion likes, I will pop this Needoh.
20K likes.
Yeah, 20K. I'll pop this Needoh. It's so squishy. I feel bad for the Needoh actually. I don't know. It like sticks on the wall, and it's super nice and soft. It's a super nice squishy.
Yeah, of course. It's a super nice squishy. Yeah.
That was my
That was
favorite
me, by the
squishy.
way.
It's so soft.
Yeah, you're
And
right.
you can make it any shape.